Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Chat GPT widget on Tecno Spark 10. So to install Chat GPT widget you have to start with opening Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and then click search. And now select this application and click install. And now click open. Now you can skip introduction. And now click open permissions to allow this application to display over other apps. Click here and then click back. Now you can click start. And as you can see, here is your Chat GPT widget. You can open it and tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your desktop, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.